It's not a protest, it's actually a request to the government to promote the kids who have completed 3 years of pre-primary into the first standard. Our kids are not meeting the 6 years age cutoff that has been implemented as a part of NEP. There's been a lot of confusion last couple of years because the Congress government has been strongly opposing NEP and, they've been trying to implement SEP. So the SEP report is also, shared with the government, which includes a 90-day relaxation in it. Our request to the government is if they can expedite and implement that 90-day relaxation for this batch, it will help a lot of children. And it will also streamline the process from next year onwards. When the SEP comes also, it will fall in place with the same guidelines. So our request to the government is to, help us and implement this one rule so that lots of children will not have to repeat. And as you know, for such a young child to repeat, it will cause a lot of, psychological stress. Seeing their, friends move forward. Already they are so excited about moving to grade 1. They talk about, the different uniforms or the new subjects or the new things that they do in grade 1. It's heartbreaking for us as parents to, see them repeat. And for kids also, they will lose interest in academics if they have to repeat.
The institutions are not considering?
The institutions are open, sir. They are saying that if government allows, we are ready. Even they don't want children to repeat. They know how well they are doing. They completely empathize with us. We are all waiting for the government to give some sort of a relaxation or expedite the implementation of that one rule in the SEP.